welcome to my channel. So today is Monday and it's 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna start my day. Come along with me. They're cutting down trees taller and the sound is disturbing. I'm just gonna put a voice over. Ta-da! So my bed is made and it's very foggy outside. But look at this. You cannot even see anything. And that's the cutting down of trees I was talking about. There's this machine on it. They put the cut down trees in the machine so that it grinds out pieces so that it's easy to throw them. So this is the fit for today. I'm wearing black color top and jeans, and I'm gonna put on a jacket. It's komati. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and head out. First is oats with fruits. This is my go-to breakfast. Hello. So I'm done with my doctor's appointment. I'm gonna go buy groceries. This is what I look like. Oh, this did not fit in my bag. So guys, this is what I got today. And my bill for today was almost like 15 euros. And yeah, so I spend 80 to 100 euros per month for my groceries. So I'm gonna make some thing to eat because I'm hungry. I'm gonna make chickpea salad. So I have everything ready here. Boiled chickpea, salad leaves. They got a little bit old, but they are not so bad, so I'm gonna use it. I need some red onions, some tomato, cucumber, chicken. So yeah, that's it. And then I have sriracha and then chili oil. First of all, I'm gonna put chickpeas, and then I'm gonna add my salad leaves, carrots and capsicum. I'm gonna use everything because it's gonna go bad. So cucumber, red onions, tomatoes, chicken, and for my salad sauce, I don't use the ready-made salad sauce because I don't like it. It just tastes weird. I make my own sauce. I use sriracha, mayonnaise, and my chili oil. You can just use, like, if you want to do this, you can use normal oil, but I use chili oil that I made by myself. Look at this. So I don't measure. I just like with my intuition, like how much I need. A lot of sriracha because I like it spicy. Then little less mayonnaise. So I'm gonna take small spoon of chili oil. Guys, it looks amazing. Like, look at this. Look at this. I'm so excited to eat this. And I'm gonna mix it now. Like, I could eat this salad every day. It's so tasty. Like, if you're trying to eat healthy and you cannot find anything that is healthy and tasty at the same time, go for this. Let me take the first bite. Guys, so it's time to work out. Today I'll be doing just 10 minutes abs. I'm gonna work out in my room, set up bhaisakyo mat haru. So let's go. Got done with my workout. This is the after. Not much changes, but it's okay because I've not been so consistent lately. Hi guys, it's 7 p.m. and I'm gonna eat my dinner. I cooked dal bhat tarkari. This is poilo dal bhat. I have omelette. I have kauliko sabzi. I have lemon खुर्सानी, दुईटा रातो खुर्सानी, अनि थोरै मासुको अचार. I made everything myself except omelette and masuko achar. I cannot wait to devour this. I'm so hungry. me bite this chili. I'm done eating, so I'm glad today I ate my dinner by 7 p.m. so that now I can wind down and be ready for sleeping and go to bed on time. Yeah. Now I'm gonna study for like half an hour before I go to bed. I'm gonna do my assignment that has been pending since like 2 weeks, I guess. So that's it for today. I cannot do this anymore. I'm done with studying and I'm gonna sleep. I just made myself chamomile tea. I'm gonna drink that. I'm gonna do some stretches and then I'm gonna go to bed. It's 8:38 p.m. This is your sign to go to bed early like me. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep watching, subscribe and comment and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Bye bye.